Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Logitech G HUB when it is not launching on your Windows PC. So these easy fixes will help you open the software without reinstalling it again and again. So first of all, you need to close your G HUB completely from the taskbar, and also you need to end it from the task manager. Then you need to simply click on the task manager and click on the option of the task manager option. Now, once you are inside task manager from the given software lists, you just have to try to find Logitech or G HUB. Once you are able to find it, you just have to click on it and then simply click on the option of end the task. So once you do this, you just have to see if the error is still there or if it is fixed. If the error still persists, you can just simply press Windows plus R on your keyboard. When you see this type of pop-up in front of you, you just have to enter a command here, which is called services.msc. Once you hit enter, you just have to find the Logitech G HUB agent service. Then you need to set it to automatic and click on the option of start if it is stopped. Next, you just have to right click on the Logitech G HUB shortcut and you can try running it as administrator. Many times the app fails to launch because it doesn't have the proper permissions. If the issue continues, you can go to the G HUB installation folder and then you can delete the updater and the cache folders, and then you can restart your computer and open the G HUB again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.